Today we're gonna continue with part 2 of the best AI tools, and we will present the last 5 out of 10 tools which is available on the internet right now. We will introduce the future of content creation with them. The last 5 is at least as good as the first ones, so say goodbye to writer's block, take the guesswork out of logo creation. Automatically receive the perfect design based on your preferences and style, effortlessly create stunning videos, and bring your old black and white photos back to life with this photo animation and restoration AI. So, sit back and enjoy as we present the possibilities for each of them. Number 6. Writer. Writer is an AI-powered writing tool that allows you to create high-quality content in just a matter of seconds. Whether you need to write a blog post, a social media update, or a product description, Writer can help you produce quality content in a fraction of the time it would take to write it yourself. This platform offers a variety of writing styles and tones, so you can create content that matches your brand's voice and messaging. Writer's AI engine is also designed to adapt to your specific writing style, making it an incredibly useful tool for content marketers and other professionals who need to produce a large volume of high-quality content. So, if you want to save time and effort while still creating great content, Writer.me is definitely worth checking out. Number 7. Brandmark. Brandmark is an AI-powered logo design tool that can help you create a professional-looking logo in just minutes. The platform uses sophisticated algorithms to analyze your industry, competition, and other factors, and then generates a logo that perfectly fits your brand. With Brandmark, you don't need to have any design skills to create a great logo for your business. The platform provides a wide range of templates and design elements to choose from, so you can customize your logo to your liking. You can also use Brandmark to create other branding materials, such as business cards, social media graphics, and more. If you're looking for a fast, easy, and affordable way to create a professional logo for your business, Brandmark.io is definitely worth checking out. Number 8. Synthesia. Synthesia is another AI-powered video creation platform that allows users to create professional-looking videos in minutes. With Synthesia, you can easily produce custom videos for your business or personal projects without needing any video editing experience. The platform's AI technology can take any script or text input and create a high-quality video with human-like avatars delivering the message.
Hey, I'm Anna.
Synthesia also offers a range of customization options, including avatar style, background, and voice, ensuring that your videos fit your brand's unique look and feel. Whether you're creating marketing videos, product demos, or educational content, Synthesia.io makes it easy to produce compelling, engaging videos quickly and efficiently. Number 9. Hotpot. Hotpot is an AI-powered image and graphic tool which makes it easy for anyone to create stunning visuals in just a few clicks. With Hotpot, you can remove backgrounds or objects from any image, turn imagination into art, restore damaged pictures, upscale photos, and much more. This tool is perfect for designers, marketers, or anyone who wants to create professional-looking graphics without spending hours on manual image editing. You can also create all kinds of social media graphics with ease. Hotpot's AI technology works seamlessly in the background, making it incredibly fast and easy to use. Plus, its simple user interface and built-in image library make it even easier to get started. Try Hotpot.ai today and take your visual content to the next level. Number 10. Deep Nostalgia. Deep Nostalgia is an AI tool that brings old photos to life by animating them. Using advanced algorithms, it creates realistic movements, from a simple head nod to a full-body gesture. It's easy to use, just upload a photo and select the animation you want. It's not just about fun, it also helps to preserve history and create a bridge between generations. Deep Nostalgia is a powerful and fascinating tool that allows us to connect with the past in a whole new way. To summarize, let's recap the last 5 AI tools we've discussed. Writer, Brandmark, Synthesia, Hotpot, and Deep Nostalgia. These state-of-the-art AI-powered tools have the potential to revolutionize the way we work and create, and are some of the best tools available online today. Their importance in our daily lives is growing, as their capabilities become more sophisticated. Whether you're generating unique content, producing images, editing videos, creating voiceovers, or enhancing your photos, these tools have endless possibilities. They can even be helpful for making money online. If you're interested in the field of artificial intelligence, it's worth exploring the possibilities of these tools. So why not try them out and see what you can create? If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment with your best AI tool.